بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum. This is Sehrish Jamil from British Institute, and this channel is based on knowledge. You are kindly requested to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.
Cherish likes to fish. She fishes whenever she can. This weekend, she will be fishing at the lake. It is her favorite place to fish. Jamil is Cherish's friend. Jamil likes fish too. He also fishes whenever he can. This weekend he will be fishing at the lake with Cherish. They will be camping at the lake all weekend. Jamil will be picking up Cherish at 9 o'clock Saturday night. Cherish will be ready when Jamil arrives. They will be driving all night before they get to the lake. They are excited about the weekend. Cherish and Jamil both love to fish. They love to fish together. They will be fishing together for many years.
Positive form. Negative form. Make sure won't is informal.
I will not be teaching. She won't be taking tea. They will not be playing. You won't be singing. We will not be having lunch.
Question form.
Will they be driving? Will she be taking coffee? Will it not be raining? Will we be reaching on time there? Will you be doing a computer?
One, we use the future progressive to talk about an action in the future that overlaps another, shorter action or a time. The action in the future progressive usually starts before and might continue after the second action or time. This is very similar to how we use the past progressive in the past. The verb after when is usually in the present simple.
I'll be sleeping when you arrive. At 9 o'clock, she'll be eating dinner.
2. We can use the future progressive to talk about something that will happen if everything happens as we expect. This is sometimes called future as a matter of course. It's usually possible to choose the future simple as well, but we often choose the future progressive because then it's clear that we are not making a request or offer.
The government will be making a statement later. When will you be leaving?
This is more polite than when will you leave? Because it's definitely not a request for you to leave.
Remember please, we can't use the future progressive with stative verbs, so if we want to use a stative verb in one of the situations where we need to the future progressive, then we use the future simple with will.
Enjoy your lesson. Thank you very much, and do not forget subscribing, liking and sharing. Improve your vocabulary visually on YouTube. It is all for you.